Getting real with English. Common collocations with real. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting part of English language learning: adjectives. In particular, we're focusing on the adjective real and the common collocations it forms. Remember, getting these collocations right can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Before we jump into real collocations, let's briefly cover what a collocation is. Collocations are words that often go together, creating a combination that is especially right or natural in the English language. These can be verbs and nouns, like take a shower, adjectives and nouns, like heavy rain, or a variety of other combinations. Today, we're specifically looking at collocations involving the adjective real. In English, we use the adjective real to describe something that is true, authentic, or not imaginary. It's important to remember that real is an adjective, which means it describes a noun. For example, we can say real gold, real diamonds, or real love. Now, let's dive into some common collocations with real. Real estate. This refers to property consisting of land or buildings. For example, she is investing in real estate. Real time. This term means that something is happening right now, or at this very moment. Example: the game updates in real time. Real deal. This is a phrase used to describe something genuine or of high quality. Example: this artist is the real deal. Real world. This term is used to refer to practical, everyday situations as opposed to theoretical or imagined ones. For example, in the real world, things don't always go as planned. Real life. Similar to real world, real life refers to actual, non-fictional events or situations. Example: this is not a movie. This is real life. Remember, collocations are a key part of mastering English, as they're commonly used by native speakers. Well, that brings us to the end of our exploration of the adjective real and its common collocations. Keep practicing these combinations, and your English will start to sound more and more natural. As always, thanks for joining in today, and keep up the good work on your English learning journey. Stay tuned for more exciting topics. Until next time, happy learning!